All right, folks, we're here today to talk about something huge. You've heard of it, I've heard of it, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, there's a lot of talk, a lot of questions out there. Is it thinking like us? Is it smarter than us? What's really going on inside this thing? Well, you're about to find out because I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. You're going to love it. First, let's be clear. ChatGPT doesn't think. It's not out there having its own ideas, making decisions. No, it's not like that. What it does do, though, is something just as incredible. It learns from patterns. It's trained on massive amounts of data, books, websites, conversations, you name it. It looks for patterns in all that text, and it gets really good at understanding how words connect. It's a genius in patterns, folks. Second, the heart of it is this thing called a language model. ChatGPT is based on something called GPT-4, and these models take all this data, huge amounts, like nothing we've seen before, and they use it to predict what comes next in a sentence. It doesn't understand like you or me, but it's trained to know what words make sense together, like a super powerful autocomplete. And folks, it's fast, it's efficient, it's brilliant. Third, how does it respond so well? Here's the key. When you type in a question, ChatGPT breaks it down into smaller parts, analyzes the context, and matches it with everything it has learned. It's like sorting through a massive filing cabinet of knowledge, and then it predicts the best answer based on probability, not understanding. But it works. It's like having the smartest assistant on the planet, but powered by data. Fourth, it predicts the future. Well, not exactly. But it predicts what's most likely to come next in a conversation. That's where the magic is. It looks at billions of examples and figures out, in real time, what makes the most sense. It's constantly scanning for patterns and connections faster than anyone could imagine. And the more you use it, the better it gets. Fifth, AI doesn't stop learning. Every day, these models are being updated, improved. More data, more patterns, more predictions. It's getting sharper. It's like a well-oiled machine, always improving. And this isn't just ChatGPT, folks. This is the future of AI. Every piece of artificial intelligence is working on this same principle. Patterns, predictions, and improvement. And it's only going to get better from here. So does ChatGPT think? No, but does it work? You better believe it. It's fast, efficient, and it's going to keep getting better, folks. That's the future right there. And that's how ChatGPT and AI really work. Fascinating, isn't it? If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more simplified explanations of complex topics. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.